The presentation view allows you to present the MD profiles and the results of a team scan on a full screen. Select a snapshot on the timeline. In the Team menu, click on Presentation to open the presentation view. The same icons are available in the presentation view to switch between individual profiles, group profiles, and team scans. The icons are at the top of the screen. You can also use the keyboard's spacebar to quickly switch between the different views. Click on one of the icons to display that view. In the presentation view, you can do the same in the respondent list as you can do in the team overview. Click on the relevant icon to display the respondent list. If you view individual profiles, you can go to the next/prior respondent in the list by using the arrow keys on the keyboard. You don't have to open the list to do this. Thank you for using Management Drives. Check our support website for more information, or feel free to contact us.